Hello students, today again we are revising our active verbs and passive. I have already told you for in an active sentence or active voice, subject, verb and object are must. If object is missing from the sentence, we cannot convert that sentence into passive voice. Such sentences which do not have an object cannot be changed into passive voice. The following sentences, for instance, cannot be changed into passive. For example, Mohan runs, Sita walks. They simply have subject and verb, and no object is there. So we cannot change such sentences into passive voice. Again, which sentences cannot be converted into passive voice? For example, if a sentence is in present perfect continuous tense or past perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense or future perfect continuous tense, then also such type of sentences cannot be changed into passive voice. Now, some of the sentences like sentences constructed using auxiliary verbs. For example, Hari is a good boy. Here we had made use of auxiliary is. Cannot be changed into passive voice. Perfect continuous tenses in all the three forms, present, past, future. As I've already told you in my previous slide, they also cannot be changed into passive voice. For example, my roommate has been copying my homework. This sentence is in present perfect continuous and it cannot be changed into passive voice. Similarly, past perfect continuous sentence also cannot be changed. Future perfect continuous cannot be changed into passive voice. And intransitive verbs, I go to temple or she has gone to market, cannot be converted into passive forms. This also I have already told you. So you can remember once again which sentences can be converted into passive voice, which have subject, verb and object. On the contrary, which cannot be converted into passive voice, sentences which have intransitive verbs, means which do not have objects after them, and sentences of present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense plus future continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. So out of 12 tenses, only 8 can be changed into passive voice. Now, in this slide you can see in active sentence we have 3 parts: subject, verb, object. Cats eat fish. This is a sentence. Here cats is subject, eat is verb and fish is object. Now when we are changing this sentence into passive voice, it will become fish are eaten by cats. So you can see how an active is converted into passive. Cats eat fish. This is active. Fish are eaten by cats. This is passive. Now, if you know about tenses, there are 12 type of tenses. How verb in the present tenses the different form of the present tenses is changed into passive voice. This we are going to study in this slide. For example, if we take simple present tense, I take only one example, like my mother cooks food. This is simple present tense. Then if it is to be made passive voice, it will become food is cooked by my mother. You have seen here that we in the passive form we make use of is, are, am according to subject, then third form of the verb, then by, and then comes the subject. In the same way, present continuous tense is, are, am plus being plus third form of the subject, by, and then subject. Again in present perfect, has, have, we make use of has, have plus been plus third form of the verb. And present perfect continuous tense, as I've already told you, passive cannot be made. So student, next we are going to learn in part 5 of the active and passive speech.